Samsung's athlete gift bag for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics is pretty awesome. Oh, I like that phone. That's an S21 with an Olympic theme. And look at the gold, like the gold and blue is actually kind of a nice combo there.
And there's an athlete who decided to make a TikTok video out of it just to show off like what he got
A goodie
in
bag.
this bag.
Okay.
So you got the phone, you got the Buds Pro, and it's themed to the Tokyo Olympics.
That's pretty cool. I think the buds should have been darker blue, though.
I agree. I think they're just standard buds, but they have a case with it as well.
So they didn't do custom buds, but they definitely did the custom phone. That's a cool phone. I'd like to take a look at that phone. The Olympic version S21.
Yes, they only gave it to the Olympic competitors, which is 17,000 competitors. They gave it to all of them.
Okay, so so one of them's gonna put on eBay then.
You have to be a competitor.
No, one of them's gonna put on eBay. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I like that. I like the little special touch. I think most of them will hold on to it as a collector's item.
For sure.
Reminisce on their experience at the Olympics. And actually, sometimes they do these special editions and they get too carried away. Too many colors, and it's not even a thing you really want to use. But this, with that dark cobalt blue thing going on, and then just the gold touch,
Yeah.
kind of classy.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.